Hi friends, welcome to Max Me Education. I am your Manor sir. Today our topic coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry. So in this class I am going to teach you basic concept of coordinate geometry. So why we are learn about coordinate geometry. So actually the geometrical problems we are using geometrical problem solved by algebra. Geometrical problem solved by algebra. What is the algebra? In this algebra you have what have variables, constants, equation, variable and constant and equation. Like that we have formulas in algebra. So these algebraical formulas using in geometric, we have to solve some problems, find the area of a rectangles or area of a geometrical figures, whatever it may be. So this time we are using coordinate geometry. Okay. So in this coordinate geometry, first we are going to give a plane. So here this is x-axis and this is y-axis and this is x dash, y and y dash. So we are here going. So in graph paper we can easily understand. So this is 0, 0. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again here -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Similarly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Here we have -1, -2, -3, -4, minus. So up we are taking positive numbers, down we are taking negative numbers. So if you are taking the number line, in numbers also the 0 is the midpoint. The left side is a positive numbers, the right side is a negative numbers. So now I am going to locate a point. For example, how to take one point here. So what is the point? Means first we are taking x coordinator, second we are taking y coordinator. So here distance if I take here 4. So 4, you have to take 5. 4, 5. So 4, 5. This is a location of point. So if here also I take, for example, here 5, I am going to take another one numbers, 3, -6, 3, -6. Observe here x and y both are positive. First coordinator x and both are positive. So here x is negative and y is positive. X is negative and y is positive. Here x coordinate also negative, y coordinates also negative. So whenever represent a point, it is in this. Definitely in this plane only we have. So in this plane you have x is positive, y is negative. So I am going to locate a point, for example 3, -6. So x is positive, y is negative. So x is positive, y is negative. So I am locate this point here only. X is equal to 3, y is equal to 6. So x is equal to 3, y is equal to 6. This is a 3, 6. 3, -6. This is the basic concept of locating a point. You have to take any point. You should locate on the plane, geometrical plane. Okay? Right. Next. For example. So, how to take one line, straight line. So, observe here. This line is passing through the x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4. The y values always change. For example, here you have to take x is equal to 4, y is equal to 2. Here x is equal to 4, y is equal to 3. Here also x is equal to 4, y is equal to 6. Similarly, if take here x is equal to 4, y is equal to minus 4. Here x is equal to 4, y is equal to minus 2. So in generally this line represent is x is equal to 4. This line represent is x is equal to 4. That means x is equal to line is parallel to y axis. This is parallel to y axis and is a distance from how much units? 4 units from x. 4 units from x. Similarly, if I have to take here also. So that means this is x is equal to minus 5. X is equal to minus 5. That means this line is parallel to y axis. This line is parallel to y. Minus 5 units distance from distance from x axis. Okay, distance from y axis. Okay, right. Next, similarly, so if you have take this y, so y axis. So this y axis, in this y axis always x value is 0. In this y axis x is equal to 0. So here also 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 5. Here also 0, minus 1, 0, minus 2, minus 3, 0, minus 4. This represent to x is equal to 0. That means x is equal to 0. It's a represent y axis. Y axis. Next, similarly, if y is equal to 0, if I take y is equal to 0, it's represented x axis. It represent to x axis. So, if you draw a parallel lines from, it is parallel to x axis. That means in this y coordinate is always 3. In this y coordinate is always 3. The x coordinate is changed. For example, 2, 3. Here 6, 3. That means if I take x is equal to 3, y is equal to 3. I take y is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3. This is a parallel to x axis. Parallel to x axis. 3 units from origin. 3 units from origin. Okay? Right. Next. So that means if x is equal to represent, x is equal to 0 means it represent to y axis. If y is equal to 0 means it represent to x axis. That means the points, the coordinates of x is same only. Okay? Right. Next, I am going to take another one for example. So here I am taking this point is 2, 3. This point is 2, 3. Here also same 6, 3. 6, 3. So distance between these 2 points. So this is x1, this is x2. So distance between these 2 points. So a comma b distance. So already the y coordinate is equal. Distance means distance AB distance is equal to x2 minus x1. That is equal to 6 minus 3, that is equal to 3 units. Distance from these 2 points is 3 units. Okay? Right. Similarly, I'll take any 2 points in this plane, we have to find a distance. For example, here I am taking 3, 2. Here I am taking, so x coordinate is 5, y coordinate is 6. At that term, how we are finding this distance? That is a problem. So here we have one formula, that is the distance formula. One important distance formula. Distance from 2 points, for example, I am going to 2 points, that is a x1, y1. Another coordinate is x2, y2. So we have to find these 2 distance. We are going to find these 2 distance. How? That is the formula is under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the distance from 2 points. There is a x1, y1, x2, y2 points. So this is a formula, important formula. Using this formula, we can find the area of a spheres, rectangles. Okay, using these formulas only. So how we get this formula? Just for I am going to introduce the formula. So here coordinates if equal, if x coordinate are equal, y coordinate are equal, we can easily find. But here x coordinate, y both are not equal. At that time, how we are find the distance? Observe. Okay. So I am take 2 points. This is x1, y1, and here I am going to take x2, y2, x2, y2. I am going to find these distance. How we are finding? So take here this. So here draw a lines A, B. So this will form a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Now I am going to apply Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. So this is A, this is B, this is C. So from here to here, how much distance? Observe here to here. Okay, right. So here x distance, this x2. So this represents x coordinate x1, this is x2. These two distance x2 minus x1. These two distances x2 minus x1. Similarly, here y coordinate are y1, here y2. So these two distance, that is equal to y2 minus y1. Okay. Now what is the Pythagoras theorem? In a Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. So hypotenuse means AC. What is the hypotenuse? Opposite side of right angle. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square. AB means here to here. AB distance how much? X2 minus X1. Because y1 here also equal, here also equal. We are not consider here. So y1 minus y1 is automatically 0. We are not consider. Here also. The x values here both are same. So don't be take that. That is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That is AC square or AC is equal to under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the distance formula. Using the distance formula, we have to find area of a quadrilaters and area of a rectangles. Area of a triangles also we are using. Okay. This is the application. Using this, he is asking. So he is given 4 points. 4 points on the planes. 4 points on the plane, and he give here 1 points on right. So these 4 points form a rectangle or a square. Is it rhombus? Is it trapezium? Then he is asking. Okay. Using this formula, we have to solve. Okay. Next, this is the distance formula. Next, slope and section formula. Section formula. So distance, slope, section and centroid. These are the area of a triangle. Area of a triangle. Area of a triangle. Triangle area. So most of the 9th and 10th standards is asking these 4 formulas only. Okay? Right. Next. Next, some important formulas. So using this formula, in next video we have to solve some problems. So first distance formula. Distance between 2 points x1, y1, x2, y2 is equal to under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the distance formula. Next, already just before it's over. Next one, slope formula. Slope of a line. What is the slope of a line? Means, if you draw a line. So this line makes some theta angle with the axis, x axis. So tan theta, tan theta. So this angle is called slope. This angle is called slope. So how we have to find slope means y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. What is the slope means? The line, have to take all lines not did with straight lines are not parallel to x-axis or not parallel to y-axis. Some are parallel to some make angle with x or y-axis. So these line make angle with x-axis. This line, so that is called theta. The tan theta. The tan theta is called slope. Slope is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Okay? Right. So no need to prove. So if you want, I will provide it next video just for your understanding. Slope. Next one, we have to centroid. What is the centroid? The centroid means you have to take any triangles. Any triangle. So the intersection point of medians. The intersection point of median is called centroids. So if a triangle, these vertices of x1, y1, these vertices is x2, y2, these are the vertices of x3, y3. Then centroid means the intersection points of three medians. Three medians is called centroid. So formula is centroid is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. Next, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. This is the centroid. So value of this point is equal to, this is x, this is y. So x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. This is the centroid. Okay. Next, another one formula. So area of a triangle. Area of a triangle. How we have to find? Observe here. Area of a triangle. Area of a triangle is equal to half into x1. This is the mod. The mod means getting positive or negative, you have to take positive value only. So y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1. Next x1 into y1 minus y2. This means you have to take a triangle. So in a plane, all of these points is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. This is x3, y3. So using these points, we have to find the area of a triangle. So this is the formula. So these are the formulas, introduction of the coordinate geometry. This is first video. In next video, we are going to solve the problems on coordinate geometry. Okay? Thank you.